Hey children, how are you? So, this is the time to learn birds' name. So, with the help of these flashcards, I am going to show you 5 birds and I'll tell you the names of these birds. So, with the help of my video, you can learn these names of birds. So, this is hen. Which bird is this? This is hen. This is pigeon. What is this? This is pigeon. This is the beautiful bird and this is sparrow. It looks very sweet and beautiful and this is sparrow. This is the crow and it is of black color. This is crow. And the last but not least, this is duck. Which bird is this? This is duck. So, one more time I will show you. Okay. This is hen. This is pigeon. This is crow. This is sparrow. And this is duck. So, learn with the help of my video. It will help you a lot to recognize the birds with their names. So, bye-bye.